Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2016 Chevy Silverado LT double cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z9951XX. Only 21,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Silver ice metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seat 6 with a cloth interior. Seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. And rear defrost for excellent visibility. 6.5-foot box. Locking tailgate with backup camera. Trailering package. And that camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate, and not only low miles but very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, integrated trailer brake control. Pages, again only 21,000 miles. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system, full radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora radio app. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. Cup holders and storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect media devices. Up and out of the way for middle passenger, with even more storage below. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Silverado is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on the Silverado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.